Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming a few prerequisites. You must be signed into Outlook with your work or school account and Teams enabled. Once done, open the calendar view in Outlook web or desktop to create a new event. Click New Event or New Meeting and type a clear title and attendees. This initiates the event record where the Teams link will appear. Make sure your account license supports Teams meetings. If not, contact IT before proceeding so the link will generate properly. Once the event draft exists, add the Teams link by selecting the Teams meeting button or toggling Add Online Meeting and picking Teams. You should see a join link populate the event body automatically. If you do not, toggle the online meeting option off and on again. Next, set the date, start and end times, recurrence if needed, and choose the correct time zone. Use the scheduling assistant to resolve conflicts and confirm attendee availability so the meeting actually works. To finish, save the event or send the invitation so the Teams join link goes to attendees. Verify the link appears in both the calendar entry and the invite body. Open the invite to double-check. If recipients can't see the link, edit and resave the event, or copy the join link from another Teams meeting and paste it in. If problems persist, sign out and back into both Outlook and Teams, clear cache or credentials, and escalate to IT as your troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.